take a dump.
Sometimes it only
Now see those flies
Glistening in the
on
sun.
Yeah.
They're sucking blood, okay?
Aw.
Their armor doesn't protect them from those biting flies.
Yeah, get it off.
Yeah, you go.
Now when we see the giraffe, you'll never see a fly on a giraffe. I'm sorry, a zebra. You'll never see a fly on a zebra. Why is that? What's the stripes? It's not the tails. Cows have tails and they have 100 flies on every cow. What do the stripes do to the insect's eye? You got that right. Insects, listen up guys, this is really interesting. Insects have compound eyes. If you look at flies and mosquitoes, they have things that look like goggles. And they look at you and they see you in kaleidoscope. And they look at the black and white of a zebra, and black absorbs light, white reflects light, and it's like a bad trip. They look at this and it's like, oh, they can't stand it, and it's natural fly repellent. So if you don't want flies in your picnic table, get a picnic table cloth that looks like a zebra skin. If this guy was black and white stripes, he wouldn't have those biting flies on him.
What are you doing?
And it's an interesting phenomenon because, you know, people are looking for inexpensive ways to be safe from all
Sean,
insects.
this looks cool on the video.
You heard about malaria?
Look at the other one.